Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidgy channel. Today's video will explain how to fix mobile network not available on Android phones. In today's fast-paced world, all users rely on mobile network connections to stay connected and access information. Mobile networks have become an indispensable part of people's lives. However, smart devices sometimes experience the mobile network not working on Android phone issue. This prevents us from communicating with the outside world using our Android devices, causing great inconvenience. If you are also experiencing the cellular network not available on Android phone problem, don't worry, we will help you. Please watch this video patiently. This video is applicable to phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. The mobile network not showing on Android phone issue can be caused by various reasons, such as software glitches, network congestion, weak or no signal, inability to use the current regional network, or hardware problems. Consider if your phone is experiencing any of these situations. Regardless of the cause, you can try the following methods to fix the Android mobile network not available issue. Encountering the mobile internet not working on Android phone problem can be frustrating, but don't worry, you can take comprehensive troubleshooting steps to effectively solve this problem. We have summarized several methods to fix mobile network not available on Android phone. Please be patient and follow the steps. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you solve the problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Check the airplane mode status. Airplane mode disables network connections on your Android device, so you cannot access the internet normally in airplane mode. If your Android phone is saying mobile network is unavailable, it's likely because airplane mode is enabled. Therefore, please check the airplane mode status on your Android phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel, and check if airplane mode is enabled. If airplane mode is enabled, turning it off should fix the mobile network not available errors on your Android phone. Method 2. Check roaming settings and restrictions. If you are traveling abroad and have turned off roaming, or your carrier does not support roaming, you may also get a mobile network not available error. With airplane mode turned off, you can check your roaming settings and any other restrictions. If this is the cause, you will need to purchase a temporary SIM card to restore service. Method 3. Hard reset your phone. A hard reset is a universal method that can solve most software-related problems and network issues. Sometimes, temporary glitches occur on your phone, which can lead to the can't connect to mobile network on Android phone problem. A hard reset can eliminate these glitches. Please try performing a hard reset on your phone. You need to press and hold the key combination for a forced restart. For the Samsung phone in the video, the key combination for a forced restart is the power button and the volume down button. Please press and hold the key combination for 10 to 15 seconds. When the phone's brand logo appears on the screen, you can release the buttons, and your phone will automatically restart. After the hard reset, please check if mobile data is working correctly. Method 4 is to reinstall the SIM card. Mobile networks are closely connected to the SIM card. When there is a problem with the SIM card, the mobile network not working on Android phone problem can occur. First, turn off your phone. Then, use a SIM card ejector tool to push it into the hole next to the SIM card tray to eject the SIM card tray. Then remove the SIM card and check for any visible damage. After checking, if there are no obvious problems, reinsert the SIM card correctly. After correctly inserting the SIM card, check again to see if the cellular network not available on Android phone problem still exists. If there is a problem with the SIM card, please contact your carrier. Method 5 is to reset network settings. The longer you use your Android device, the more networks it connects to and uses. When there are too many networks, the network settings on your Android phone can become cluttered. When this happens, it's not surprising to encounter the cellular network not available for voice calls on Android problem. To troubleshoot this problem, please try resetting your network settings. Using the phone in the video as an example, a Samsung phone, please reset the network settings on your Android phone. 1. On the home screen, tap Settings. 2. Swipe up the screen to find and tap General Management. 3. Find and tap Reset. 4. Find Reset Network Settings on the screen. 5. Select the SIM card you want to reset, then tap Restore Default Settings. After that, the mobile network on your Android device will be reset, thus fixing the mobile network unavailable problem. Method 6 is to perform a factory reset. This is the last step you can take. If resetting network settings doesn't work, there may be some unknown problems. This type of problem may not be solved by a simple restart or network reset, so this is the last resort. Restoring factory settings should make mobile networks available on your Android phone. However, restoring factory settings will delete all data on your Android device. If you need the data on your Android phone, Please back up important data before restoring factory settings. Next, go to your phone's settings, find and tap General Management, then find and tap the Reset option. After tapping the Reset option, find and tap Factory Data Reset. Your Android phone should then restart automatically. The factory reset will take some time, so please be patient. After the reset is complete, please turn on mobile data and use your Android phone normally to check if the problem is resolved. Method 7 is to contact your carrier. If none of the above steps solve the mobile network not available on Android phone problem, please contact your mobile carrier's customer support. They can assist you in further diagnosing and resolving the issue. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it, and let us know in the comments which method helped you solve the problem. Also, if you have any suggestions for improvement, please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. Good luck.